So welcome back everyone. Today we're talking about the DJI Mavic Air 2. Now if you guys are into RC or thinking about getting to it, this is going to be one of the game-changing drones that's available. So in this video we're going to talk about some of the specs, some of the features, some of the upgrades, as well as why, if you're in the drone market, this is the perfect drone to get. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new to the channel, of course subscribe, please hit the notification bell. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers hopefully in the next month or two. I do have some RC stuff that's sitting around that I need to review, just haven't had time, so please bear with me. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way when a new video is dropped you'll be notified. Of course DJI is the most popular manufacturer of drone in the world. They make the best quality drones in my opinion. They look good, functional, and they do have the software to back it up for the long run. So a lot of the issues with drones is that they're either too expensive or they don't do what you need it to do. So this kind of check most of the boxes, and it sits right in the middle as far as the price point, which we're going to get into a little bit. So here's some of the features, guys. Ultra clear detail, so a 1/2-inch image sensor, 4K at 60 frames per second, as well as 48 megapixels. And what that means, that 48 megapixel, guys, is that if you're high up and you take a photo, you can actually crop it and zoom in and it will still have a good quality. So that's the big advantage of having 48 megapixels. It also has enhanced HDR, so photos, videos, as well as your panorama. It also has 8K hyperlapse, fly longer. So this one's advertised to have a 34-minute flight time as opposed to about 20-25 minutes for the previous drone. It also makes some improvements with the obstacle avoidance, so upgraded to 3.0 obstacle avoidance, and this is one of those things I'll have to check out when I actually get my hands on the drone. As far as your video on your device, so I upgraded to AccuSync 2.0, which gives you up to 10 kilometers at 1080p on your device. For everyone that's flown a drone before, FPV, this is huge because you know that as soon as you get a little distance between you and the drone, you start losing that image quality on your device. So this is gonna guarantee 1080p picture on your device at around 10 kilometers away, which is about 6 miles. I should mention that there's an all new DJI app which allows a lot of cool features, including the option to edit on the fly. So as soon as you shoot your videos, you can go ahead, edit it, send it out on the device. So one of the biggest concerns, of course, is the design of the new controller. So the old controllers actually had the device on the bottom and the controls on the top. So this one's opposite, has the device on top and the controller on the bottom. So one of those things that I'm gonna have to test when I get my hands on it. You do have some additional ND filters, and that's not a part of the initial purchase, but let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing and what you get in the box. So as far as purchasing, you have two basic options, guys. You have the Mavic Air 2, $799, which is a little bit pricey, but when you look at what you're getting compared to some of the other drones, the other pricier drones out there, this is actually a good deal. They also have the Fly More package, which we'll get into in a little bit. But as far as what you get in the box for the Mavic Air 2 for $799, you get the aircraft itself, controller, get the intelligent battery, battery charger, power cable, low noise propellers, so that's another improvement. You get 3 pairs, it looks like. Have connectors type C, lightning. You also have a standard micro USB connection. You get a gimbal protector, type C cable, and you also have a pair of spare control sticks. So the Fly More package is going to run $988, and it might seem like a big number, but for what you get, it's actually a good deal. So let's scroll down and see what's included. So right here you get 3 batteries, and right there it kind of pays for itself because each battery is $130, I believe. So times 3, there go your $900 right there. You also get additional props, so you get 6 instead of the 3. And if you hit the more right here, you get a set of ND filter, battery charging hub, battery to power bank adapter. You also have a shoulder bag. So like I said, the biggest addition or the biggest inclusion is the 3 batteries, and that basically pays for itself. So with all that said and done, guys, let me know what you guys think of the pricing. I know this is a high dollar item, especially now with everything's going on, to pick up $800 or $1,000 to go buy the drone. But what I'm seeing is a lot of improvements that you usually only get on the higher end drones put into this package. Flight time is improved safety. Also, this is portable, so you can take it on the go with you, and this is one of those drones that's gonna last over time. So let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking about grabbing one for the channel, review it, and check out some of the specs and features. Let me know if that's a good buy in your opinion. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.